Calgary, Canada's biggest city, was founded in 1875 as a Mountie outpost. It is one of Canada's most understated cities, sometimes overshadowed by its more brilliant sister Vancouver on the west coast or its bigger brother Toronto in the far east. But Calgary is one of those distinctively Canadian places that offers tourist experiences they won't find anywhere else. Calgary quickly became an economic and agricultural nerve center in the southern area of the Canadian province with the building of a railway and the discovery of oil. Calgary, situated in the center of a prairie, has one of the sunniest climates in the country and at the same time offers a wide range of winter sport possibilities in Canadian Olympic Park and in the surrounding areas. Calgary has attractions such as the Heritage Park Historical Village, which transports visitors to the Wild West of the 1800s, and Canada Olympic Park, which hosted the 1988 Olympic Games. The Calgary Stampede, known across the world, transforms the city into a lively cow town each summer during the 10-day rodeo and festival event called the Greatest Outdoor Show on Earth. Calgary is both a corporate hub and a gateway to the Canadian Rocky Mountains and breathtaking natural wonders such as Banff, Jasper, and Lake Louise. Calgary is the fifth biggest city in Canada, located along the Bow River about 50 miles east of the magnificent Canadian Rockies. Even more intriguing, Calgary's 1.2 million residents are among the youngest in Canada. That's correct, the average age in this city is 35.7, which indicates you'll have a wonderful night out in this town. But don't be fooled, Calgary isn't only a party town. There are lots of family-friendly activities as well. Calgary is as diverse as any of Canada's major cities, with over 120 distinct languages spoken here. The city's wide open spaces and laid-back vibe have earned it the title of Cow Town, and when coupled with a booming tech industry and a younger multicultural community, there is an unlimited amount of things to keep you engaged. Calgary has something for everyone, from the greatest outdoor show on earth to grizzly bears and dinosaurs. If you've ever watched the Olympics and thought to yourself, I want to do that, now's your opportunity. During the 1988 Winter Olympics, Canada Olympic Park on the city's western edges was the centerpiece of the events. It is now part of Winsport, where Olympic hopefuls continue to train in state-of-the-art facilities and tourists may live out their own Olympic dreams. Ride the fastest and longest single zip line in North America from the top of a ski jump, or hop in the back of a bobsled and ride the course that made Jamaica's bobsled team famous. Make sure to ride the Skyline Luge, which runs parallel to the Olympic track for 5,905 feet, twisting and turning and falling over 328 feet by the time you reach the bottom. The magnificent Calgary Zoo is on the list of animal attractions. It is home to almost 1,000 species, many of which you would expect to see in their native Alberta habitats. Moose, elk, grizzly and black bears, wolves, cougars, bighorn sheep and mountain goats may be seen in the Canadian Wild exhibit. The Dinosaurs Alive exhibit reflects the fact that Alberta holds the world's biggest deposit of Cretaceous fossils. Keep an eye out for the animatronic dinosaurs, which are a great attractions for dinosaur fans of all ages. Every major Canadian city has an incredible way to get a bird's eye view of everything going on, and Calgary is no exception. One of the greatest ways to get a feel for a city is to climb above it all, and the Calgary Tower, at 1,228 meters above sea level, provides a 360-degree perspective of the city. The 62-second trip from the bottom leads you to the first observation deck, where you and your closest friends might take in the panoramic pictures. After your breath has been stolen, proceed to the second observation deck for a beverage, some snacks and the finest view in town. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.